uba ALHEC Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla uba DP Yakatanat Veterinary and Animal Husbandry mentagasngi ke santri ujeliu Hajar Pesan ulalej benbu yo Mawnongrim naka bynta bante ya ke Regional Semen Production Laboratory berka Semen Bank of Sheep and Goat kabade naka bynta ban pet khas mbai ki langprod bat ki blang lengba ke National Livestock Mission NLM yau new Mawnongrim labu hagasnong kerdem kulai Hariboy District nalor uba ALHEC Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla uba DP Yakatanat Veterinary and Animal Husbandry la sakhilang ro dauba FR Kharkongor Principal Secretary Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department Dr. M. Kar Chandi Director H and Veterinary u Raja Brahma ADC ke Hariboy District uba arnong brirang ba snong kerdem kulai san kilo lembat kiwe ka jingwan ra ka Sarkar ya ka Regional Semen Production Laboratory bat ke Semen Bank for Sheep and Goat lengba katanat Animal and Husbandry and Veterinary Department ka de ka thong ban kentiu ya ka kam region ri na ka bantawan ajing bentoy ya kinong region ri hapo ka jela.
But I said no. It is the collective efforts of every one of us. Not a single man can build anything which we can do it together as a team. So right from the principal secretary, the director, or right from the staff below, those are there on the ground. Their effort also, there's a team where we can achieve anything there which we are dreaming in our life. So we are thanking so much to all of you for putting all the efforts together, make us a team for this program. So today we are going to lay the foundation stone. We are going to start this project. What is important for any project is the sustainability. The project has to be productive. It cannot be a liability to us. That is important in our role when we are there. We are also employees. We are a servant. We are working here. We are here to serve, not to be served. We have to take the responsibility to ensure that this project is productive and also has this sustainability. It has to be there. Otherwise, if, like many other projects of the state, I'm not talking only veterinary department. I remember once upon a time when I was first elected in 1998, late Bibi Lindo had told us the government should not do business. Let the people or the business people should do business, not the government. But anyway, but this is the government project. We have the sole responsibility to ensure that this is productive. We create employment also, we create job for the others by having this kind of deep project. So that's why I humble request, my appeal to each one of us, including myself and everyone, take this project as your own, of our own project. This is not a government project. Then only we will see the productivity and we'll see also the sustainability of this project. So I wish all of you to take the responsibility. Take this as a duty bound. We have a duty bound. We have a responsibility to ensure that anything we are doing for the welfare of the states of Meghalaya. So I'd like to thank also the musicians group of the Dr. S.W. Lindo and friends for a beautiful song which had sang, and all your team. I thought that you will be singing the Pan Meghalaya to listen the Garo and the Jaitia song also at the same time. But anyway, I have very beautifully have been done. You know, I know how many of you they have practiced about music. I practice music every day because I take the music as therapy for myself.